Today, you might like to write a sentence about a bird. So you may have heard my story, Such a Noisy Bird. You may have listened to it online, and I'm going to keep it in front of me today to inspire me to write a sentence about birds. Now, birds are very special because they can lay eggs. So I'm going to write a sentence about that. My sentence is going to be, birds lay eggs. Nice and short, nice and sweet. Birds lay eggs. How many words do I have in my sentence? 3. Birds lay eggs. And my first word is a tricky word to write out because we haven't learnt all the sounds yet, but on the top of my book, the word bird is there, so I can use that to help me. So birds lay eggs. The first word I'm going to write is birds. So starting with my capital B. Then I need an I. D. Birds. Birds. Good. There's my first word. Then I need a finger space. Birds lay. Lay. The first sound I can hear is ul. So I'm going to go all the way up and down for my ul. Now our A sound is another digraph. So 2 letters that make one sound. We haven't learnt this yet and we won't learn it for a while. But our A sound to make the word lay is made up of an A and then a Y. A. A and a Y. So I'm going to write that now. A first and then my Y going all the way down. Birds lay eggs. That was my next word. Eggs. Oh, we wrote that last week for our E sound. Eggs. G. S. Eggs. Birds lay eggs. G. S. And what needs to go at the end of my sentence? A full stop. You might like to draw a picture then up top. I'm going to copy this bird up here, I think. He looks quite funky.